arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome to this discussion on one of the most effective and popular alternative dispute resolution methods. Today, let us delve into understanding what ADR conciliation is all about. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you keep costs low. So, what exactly is conciliation in the context of alternative dispute resolution? Well, imagine a scenario where two parties have a disagreement. Rather than heading straight to a court, which can be lengthy, expensive, and quite honestly a little daunting, they opt for a more amicable route. That's where conciliation comes in. It's a voluntary process where a neutral third person, the conciliator, assists the disputing parties to come to an agreement. One of the beautiful aspects of conciliation is its flexibility. Parties can design the process to suit their needs. It's not bound by stringent formalities, so there's room for creativity and problem solving. Now you might be wondering, how effective is conciliation really? Let's get into some numbers. Did you know that in recent studies, around 75% of conciliation cases led to a full or partial resolution? That's a testament to its efficacy. Furthermore, about 80% of individuals who have been through conciliation express satisfaction with the process, irrespective of the outcome. That speaks volumes about the positive experiences people have had with it. What makes conciliation stand out? For starters, it's informal and non-adversarial. It's not about pinning one party against the other, but about collaborative problem solving. Parties retain control of the outcome, and there's a strong emphasis on preserving relationships, which can be pivotal, especially in business contexts. It's also time efficient. Instead of waiting for months, sometimes years, for court rulings, conciliation can bring about a resolution in a much shorter time frame. This means less stress, less money spent, and quicker closures. Now, before we wrap up, welcome to arbitrationagreements.org. We are proud to say that we are the top association in the country for providing conciliation services and programs. With our dedicated team and robust processes, we have assisted countless individuals and organizations in resolving their disputes amicably. So if you ever find yourself or your organization in need of an effective, efficient, and positive way to address disputes, remember conciliation and consider reaching out to us at arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Also, what do you think of conciliation? Which advantage is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you succeed.